How to get rid of roof of mouth sore at home. Here are some home remedies that will help you in getting rid of mouth sore. Baking soda for sore on roof of mouth. 1 tablespoon water. 1 tablespoon baking soda. Mix the ingredients to obtain a fine paste. Use your fingers or a cotton ball to apply the paste on the affected area. Leave the paste for a few minutes and attend it to get dry. After it gets dry, rinse with lukewarm water to wash out the paste. Gargle so that the bacteria get cleared and the acid also washes out to prevent canker sores. Repeat the process once daily for best results. The best time for it to be used is at night, as it will remain undisturbed for the entire night. Using baking soda might sting a little. Just be a little careful while you apply it. It has high levels of sodium, so limit its quantity. Rinse your mouth after using it